welcome back to my channel. So into this video we're gonna be whipping up some breakfast. Now let's cook. So guys, here I'm just adding 2 smoked Italian sausage, and I'm gonna bake those for about 10 to 15 minutes in a preheated oven. So here I have all my ingredients for my pancake. I have flour, I'm adding sugar, baking powder, and salt to that flour. Now I'm just gonna incorporate all the ingredients. Now I'm adding milk, and it looks dark because I add vanilla to it, and that vanilla is just gonna give it a beautiful flavor, guys. I'm also adding eggs and butter. Now I'm gonna list all the ingredients down in the description below. Now I'm just gonna whisk all that together until the batter is smooth. Now guys, if you're watching this video when you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post amazing new videos. So guys, now in a skillet on medium heat, I'm just gonna heat the skillet, then I'm gonna add butter to it. I mean, this is optional because it's a non-stick pan. You guys can also use a griddle if you guys have, I guess. So guys, I scoop the batter with a 1/2 cup measurement, and when bubbles on the top starts to pop, that's when you know you need to flip your pancakes. Perfect. So now I'm flipping my pancakes, and I'm just gonna let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, perfect. So now that's cooked. I'm gonna repeat with the remaining batter. Okay, so moving on to our scrambled eggs. I love using green onions. Oh my goodness, it tastes so good. Scrambled eggs taste so good with green onions, guys. So good. You guys really have to try this, man. It's so good. Trust me. But anyways, I'm using green onions. You guys can use scallion, or I mean, whatever you guys have. You can use peppers. Just do a veggie scramble if you guys want. But I absolutely love green onions. Oh my goodness. So good. So good. Now I'm cracking 2 large eggs. Now I'm just using a plastic fork just to whisk that together. Now in a little omelette pot, I add this is about 2 tablespoons of canola oil. Now I'm adding my green onions. I'm just gonna saute those for about a couple seconds, about 20 seconds. And careful of this, guys, because trust me, the oil is gonna pop. Just be careful. And I'm gonna add my eggs and scramble that. Ooh, honey. So good. So good, guys. I don't even know what happens here, but it's the lighting, so forgive that. Now I'm adding cheese to that, and this was so yummy. The cheese is optional, guys. If you don't want to add cheese to your scrambled eggs, you don't have to. But yeah, so I removed that, and that is how it looks, guys. So I add some whipped cream. Now I'm adding my maple syrup, and yeah. Or you guys can also top it off with fruits. I'm adding blueberries and strawberries, and yeah, man, like that's the end of the video. I do hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you do, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe most importantly, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Love you guys for watching. Bye. Mwah.